Hi foodies, this is Chef Pete, and today I want to talk about, Anthony will show you here, the green, sweet, aromatic basil, okay? And for all intents and purposes, it's probably native, that it came from India, and it's been cultivated for over 5,000 years. 5,000, I said, right? Okay, but it comes from the Greek word basil, basilikon phyton, meaning the royal kingly plant. And it has esteemed status in Italian cooking, Greek cooking. All different nationalities use sweet basil. And this is delightful.
The aroma, what is the aroma?
The aroma to this is sweet, delicious basil. And Egypt uses it in sacred rituals, embalmings.
Oh my God.
And actually the Egyptians believe it opens the gates to heaven. There we go. In ancient Greece, it goes with love and death it's associated with, okay? Some folklore says basil wouldn't grow unless it's sown with the curses in Greece. But in others, it symbolizes good luck in other nationalities, okay? So it came from India to Europe in the 16th century, and it's been there ever since. So there we have it, okay? It's a love token in Portugal. They give it as a love token. Some other things. In the Greek Orthodox Church, they use it in some of the ceremonies in the church, okay? It repels insects. It protects against scorpions in some cultures. That'd be Egypt, right? Scorpions in Egypt. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, if you want to know more about this, you sprinkle it on your salad, sprinkle it on your pizza, sprinkle it inside your beautiful pasta dish. Today I'm going to sprinkle it because I've chopped it up a little later on in the eggplant parm. I'm making low carb today. So there we have it. Okay, this is Peter Carpizzo's, as always, another tidbit of information about sweet, delicious basil. Pete out.